Let's see how to draw a walrus step by step. First of all, you have to draw a structure of walrus like this. Here's its hand. And here's another one. Now let's draw its body. You can call it its tail or leg. Normally, walrus get so much wet from the very young age. So, I'm drawing few lines that will indicate it's over wet. These are not walrus's eyes. Rather, these are his mustache. And this is its big, long and sharp teeth. Another line to show it's wet. It seems like nose to me. And now, here's its eye. And the cute walrus got some eyebrows. And my drawing is done. Let's do the outline. Clean all the extra pencil marks. Let's do the coloring. Brown. I'm applying a little trick to color its body. As you can see, I'm leaving few spaces white. I'm coloring all over its body with brown. Okay, I'm done. Now I'm using yellow-orange color. Here's another trick. And now I will use pink a bit. I'm using yellow-orange color to merge these colors. Now I will use white. I'm using a dark brown color. Doing a little touch-up with brown again. Here's my black pencil to draw the outlines. I'm done. And now, let's draw a shadow. I will color the shadow with my pencil. Let's use a tissue. Clean excess parts. And this is how you can draw a walrus within few minutes. Thank you so much for watching.